That you're doing these things for nothing.
They're very inexpensive when you look at the total amount of money that they'll make.
Yeah, they make you a fortune.
Yeah, anytime you can buy something for $20, like a bonnet, and it can make you several $100s, that's a good investment for your money.
Or 30, 50 or 60 or $70,000.
However much. I mean, even if you can only make $100 before it wears out, it'd still be a profit. So
these do better than that. All right.
All right. The carpets look a lot better.
They're not. I mean, this is what do you call it? It's a wear area.
There's a wear area, and it's a little damper because he put more pre-spray there. So it's gonna have a different look to it. The whole carpet is not gonna be uniform.
But
when it completely dries, it's gonna look even.
We're not trying to make it perfect. We're just trying to get it nice, and it is nice.
When it's completely dry, it'll look more even.
We're going to shut the camera off, and I'm going to pre-spray the next room, and then we're going to show the bonnet cleaner, and it's nasty too. You can go show that real quick, but I'm going to come in there and pre-spray.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's a nasty.
I'm going to stop the camera here because there's no point showing him pre-spraying it. It'll be about 5 minutes of junk before we start working again, so stay tuned. I'll be right back.